I think, am I back? How are you guys? Good? Great? All good? Please say all good. Yeah, I think all good. So this is basically for those who are giving SO exams, and I would not like segregate this. This is for all of them who are giving SO examination and other examination. So today we're gonna discuss a DI, a basically spider DI. Spider data interpretation. We're gonna discuss what? Spider data interpretation. Today in this class, we're gonna discuss this only. So if in case guys, any one of you want to come live to share this session to all of your friends so that we can start the class. So today discussion is around that. If you want the PDF, right? Like some of you always start saying that, sir, I want the PDF. So guys, you can get the PDF in the basically Oliveboard app, in which you can download the class PDF. Just download the Oliveboard app, go to the course section, there you can find the PDF also. Clear? So now the question comes here, sir, basically, is this session for all of the aspirants who are giving clerk also? So I would say yes. So those guys, those who are giving the clerk, right? IBPS clerk for them. IBPS SO, yes for them. These sessions for all of them, right? Now upcoming examination, yes, these sessions is for all of them, for means I would say for all the upcoming examination. SO and clerk aspirant, join me fast. Join me. Am I audible? Yes. Join me fast. Let's give here. Let me check whether I'm audible or not. Let's give. Okay, that's great. Hi Nilaksh, how are you? Okay, so let me show you the DI first. So this is a kind of DI. I hope this is visible, everyone. Please say once if this is visible. This is a radar based DI. Okay, I think this is visible as of now. Visible, yes or no? Should I write the values here or should I not? 280, 460, 480, 160, 200, like that values are mentioned here, like 320, 520. I think values are readable. Values are readable, yes or no? The given data graph shows the total number of employees in 5 different companies, PQRST, in 2014, and also give the number of male employees in 5 different companies in 2014. Different companies, and this is the total employees, the red color, and the male employees with a yellow color. So first of all, we got the total employees, and then we got a male employees. So again guys, whenever you see such kind of question, you need to have very clear vision in your mind that they can ask if they are given, see, suppose what they have given, and same thing happens to those who have given the pre as well. So if they are giving total and after that they have given the male, then automatically they will ask a female. Am I right? So if they have given the total and they have given male, then they can go for female, they can ask you the female. So why should we wait? We should first plot a graph, plot a table, and if we plot a table, Like this DI would contain 5 questions. If I make a table and make a separate table in 2 minutes, then why not I can get my 5 marks easily. So I would prefer that now that I could get a 5 marks easily. Come on, say. Because easily I can get the 5 marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me write down P, Q, R, S, T, right? Now we will have a total employee. For example, in P, the total employee is how much? And this is the total employee in P. So in P, the total employee is 460. I'm just writing for you. So total employee in P is basically 460. Total employee in Q is basically how much? 280. Total employee is in R is how much? 520. Total employee in S is how much? Again 320. And total employee in T is how much? 480. Is it right? Am I getting? So these are the total employee I got. Everyone, I'm just writing for all of you so that you can understand and it becomes very easy for you. Now they have given the male employee. So now how to look this kind of radar DI? See, this is a P section. You can see this is a P section. This is a P male employee, and P male we are having 160. Let me change color so that you can write down easily. Let me change a color to blue. So I can say that my male is 160 from here. Q, the male is 220. And R, the male is 140. And S, the male is 240. And T, the male is 200. Isn't it? Yes or no? Say you got it. Male, female. Again the calculation based. Again simple, this is a calculation based. Yes. Now slowly we can go for female also, because total is 460. This is 160. Then this would be 460 and 160. This is 300. So I'll change the color and then I'll write down the female employees, which is let me change the color 300. Correct. Now 220, then this would be 60. Correct. Now 140, 60 is 200, 200 and 300. So 360 and 20, 380. Correct. Makes sense, everybody? Yes. Now 320, now 60 will become 300, then 80. Okay. Now here 200, 480, 200 and 480. 200 and 200 become 280. So this will become 280. Clear? So basically, as of now, if you make this table, everyone, and I would say that please take the screenshot. I would request all of you to please take the screenshot. Now, if you have done this all things, I can give you bet, then you can solve 5 out of 5 questions from here. I can give you bet. Can you take the screenshot from here, guys? Please take the screenshot from here so that we can see the questions now. So that we can see the questions from now. Please take, Gresh and everyone, please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot as of now. Nilaksh, please take the screenshot. Taken? Okay. Let's come to the question number 1. Now this is the question number 1. Let's see, guys. If the number of male employee in company A is 7 by 8, A company, okay, I don't know, 7 by 8 of the male employee in company S, P, Q, R, S, T, and there was T also, okay. So from here you need to add the ratio of the number of female employees in company R to company A is this much. Okay, then find the total number of employees in company A. So this is again a reverse question, first of all. This is again a reverse question, first of all, a very good question. First of all, we need to go for, now see, let me just do it. Let me solve you. Male A, seven by 8 of number of male employees in company S. Now, number of male employee in company S is how much? Number of male employee in company S is basically 240. So I would say 240. Now let's come. So can I say that 7 by 8 of 240? Okay. 3 times I would say. This goes 3 times 30. Now this would become 210. First thing. Fine. Now the ratio of the number of female employee in company R, female employee in company R to the A, company A, female employee in company A, the ratio is 19:12. Makes sense? R and A. Makes sense, yes or no? I hope so this makes sense. Now R, female employee in R. Female employee in R is 380. Now female employee in R is basically 380. If 19 is 380, the multiplier is of 20. Here also multiplier will be of 20, which become 240. They are asking find the total number of employee in company A. So female employee in company A is basically 240. So 240. And the male employee in company A is basically 210. So 210. If you add this, you will get 054. The answer is 450. Option number D. Please say understood. Not 210, it's 450. Understood everyone? Again, you have answered this question, you know why? Because you have answered this question, you know why? Because you know the data you have mentioned here was correct. That is the reason why you are answering such kind of question. Yes? Okay, let's go for next one. Those who are coming, that's okay. Those are not coming, let them not come. We don't panic such. They don't want to come, let them. Now again, easy question. Find the ratio of number of male employee. So guys, ratio of number of male employee. So I have a tree, guys. Okay. Answer me. Come on, answer me, guys, fast. I need to water this tree. One is to 2. That's very good. Number of male employees in company R. So number of male employee in company R is basically 140. Okay. Is to the number of female employee in company T. So number of female employee in company T is basically 280. It's basically 1:2 is the answer, which is correct. Let's go for this question. Come on, again, a lengthier question, but you can solve. A lengthier question, but you guys can solve. Yeah, please, everyone. Without table, you cannot even touch. It's a plant, not a tree. Sorry, it's a plant. Yeah, it's a plant. I need to water this plant because it's needed here. Yeah, I need to water this because some of the, see, this is. Okay, let me try. If the total number of employee in company M is 3 times more than the number of male employee in company P. First of all, 3 times more means 4 times. Number of male employees in company P. So number of male employees in company P is basically how much? 160. So M would be, now if anything becomes 2 times, 1 will become 2 now, then it is 2 times. So anything becoming like 3 times, then 1 will become how much? 4 now, then it is 3 times. Correct. So can I say? Have a look, guys. Come on, wait. So M is equal to how much? 4 multiplied by male employees. I said earlier also, please take the screenshot. I said earlier also, please take the screenshot, which is 160. So let's come here and go here with 160. So into 160, which is how much? It's very easy. The male employee would be how much? 640. 640, right? Make sense? Okay. Yes, now? First you see, guys, okay. And the ratio of the number of female employee in company M to company P. Now, company M to company P, the ratio of female, this is also female, this is also female, is basically 4:3. But you know the female employee in company P, which is 300. Now, if 3 becomes 300, 4 becomes 400, clear? If 3 becomes 300, then 4 will become 400. If, yeah, correct. So now here it becomes what? Then find the ratio of number of male employees in company P. Male employees in company P is quite 160 only, na? Because just now we figure it out. Right. To the company M, male employee in company M. Total employees basically in company, total employee is how much? 600. Out of which male employee is 400. So how much would be the male employee? Can I say 240? Because 400, then the male employee would be 240. 0 cancel out. 4 4s are 16. 4 6 are 24. It's 2:3 is the answer. Option number C. Come on, sir. Everyone got this? Isn't 2:3 is the correct answer? Option number A, 2:3. You got 1:1. No, A is not 2:3. Fine. Okay, that's great. Great. Let's go for next one. Again, a easier question. Come on, try. Please try. Those who are having that table chart, I think they can answer this question quite easily. Come on, answer me. B, okay. The number of female employees in company Q. Female employees in company Q. Female employees in company Q is basically 60 divided by is what percent of the total number of employee in company T. Total number of employee in company T is basically 480. So answer would be 12.5%. How come? Because this is 1 by 8 and 1 by 8 is nothing but 12.5%. It's a 5-second question. Option number B. Please solve. Solve. $50, $60, okay. Let them. In a company Q, the number of employees in 2015 is 50% more. What's the meaning of 50% more? See guys, whenever we talked about 50% plus more means 3 by 2. So if I talk about Q, 2015, they are saying 3 by 2 they are more than the previous year of Q. Previous year Q, which is 280. So basically 280, which is 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, and 4 3 12, 4 3s are 12, 3 4, 420 would be the total, right? 420. Now 420 is basically, can I say male plus female? Male plus female is basically 420, right? And the number of male and female employee in 2015 is X and X minus 80. Now this you need to understand, okay? Now see guys, X plus X minus 180 is equal to 420. 2X minus 180 is equal to 420. Now this would be how much? 60 and 3. So basically this would be how much? 600. So 2x equals to 600, x equals to 300, right? Now if x is 300, now you got it. If your x is 300, other is x minus 180, means the remaining would be how much? 120. The remaining would be how much? 120. They're asking what? Find the difference between the number of female employees in company Q in 2014. Oh, that's quite 2014 in female Q. Female Q is 60, and here this is male and this is female. So this is 120 is the female. So 60 difference. 120 minus 60 is 60 only. So my answer is basically option number D. It was good question, right? Come on. It was good question, I would say. Okay, so we have another DI. Come on. Guys, please note it down the data, everyone. I would request that please note down the data. Another DI we are having here. Come on. So the radar graph shows the total number of candies, which is sweet and sour, sold by 5 different shops, L, M, N, O, P, and also give the difference between the sweet and sour candies sold by given shops. Again, I would say this is a good. So I have mentioned the datas which are very highlighted form. You can just see and try to evaluate. Okay. I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. Please make a table. Please make a table. I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. Then I'll make a table by my own, guys. Okay. Please make a table, everyone. You guys are making a table? I hope time up now. Okay, I hope time up now. I hope you guys are trying. If not, that's okay. So guys, first of all, again, make a table. That would be quite easy. Make a table, because again I would say na L, M, 1 2 3 4 5. L M N O P, right? Two candies are there, total, sweet and sour. Total, sweet and sour. I think everybody had made table like this only. Those who have done, that's very good. Now let's see. So basically total number of sweet and sour for, let's go for L, is 240. First of all, listen that what we need to do here. The concept. Sweet plus sour. Let's say A. Let's say A. And in the second, it's sweet minus of sour. Let's say B. Let's say B. Then if I want to calculate only sweet, if I need to do what? Either I need to add. So if I'll add it, I'll get 2 times of sweet would be equal to A plus B by A plus B. So sweet would be equal to A plus B by 1 concept. So whenever you go for sweet, you need to club this and divide. Now if you want to go for sour, S-O-U-R, sour, then just subtract A minus B by 2. Then you'll get individual sour. Getting it's clear? Again I am saying what I said. There were 2 graphs shown. First is sweet plus sour is A and other was difference. Let's say assume sweet plus sour is A, then difference would be B, correct? So now simply this is one of the equation number 1, this is second equation number 2. What we do, we subtract because plus and minus and then we add. So 2 times of sweet would be equal to A plus B. Sweet is basically A plus B. Now if you know this concept, now this becomes very easy for us to calculate because the total is 240. Remember, total of L is basically 240. Let me change the color. Total for L is 240. Now for sweet, again what was trick for the sweet? That the sweet was what? L plus B by 2, correct? Now how will you calculate? Because the difference of the sweet and sour is sold, is basically 80. 80 plus 80, can I say 160? Clear? This would be minus. This would be minus. This is I am doing how you guys are getting now. Come on, say. Everyone. Say guys, 240 plus 80 is 320 divided by 2, 160. 240 minus 80, 40 from here, 40 from there, 160 by 2 is 80. So we'll write down 80 here. Okay, once more. Again I am guiding you. Let's come to M. M is basically 290 plus 70. 290 plus 10 is 300 plus 60 is 360. 360 divided by 2. 360 divided by 2 is basically 180 if the sum is 290. Now 290 minus 70. 290 minus 70 would be how much? 210 divided by 2. 220. 220 divided by 2 is 110. Understood? Say understood, yes or no? Should I do? I'm just doing one more for you. I'm doing one more for you. This I've already used. Okay, let's go for N. Let's see N. N is 240 plus 60. 240 plus 60 is how much? 300. 300 divided by 2 is 150. So M total is 240 divided by 2 is 150. Now 240 minus of 60, 40 from there, 180, because 240 minus 60 is 180, 180 divided by 2 is 90. Doing once again for you. Let's come to O. Now 280 plus 120. Now see, 280 plus 20 is 300 plus 100 is 400. 400 by 2 is 200. So can I say the total is 280, and when I add both it becomes 400 divided by 2. Now from 280 if I subtract 120, 280 if I subtract 120 it would become 160. 160 by 2 is 80. Let's come to this. 270 plus 30 is 300 plus 20 is 320. 320 divided by 2 is again 160 if the sum is 270. And if you subtract 270 and 50, 50 is basically 210. 210 divided by 2 is 110. Now let's come to, okay, done. Is this done? Everyone understood? Come on, say. You can check the data, what I did. Very important concept. I would say important concept. Everyone understood what I did? Again, if you get such kind of concept in any of the question, just remember this thing. If they give that sum of something is A, then other is difference, then always remember you need to take the average. Average. Club to both and divide by 2. Let's come to the first question. I hope that you guys have taken the screenshot. Please take the screenshot, then I'll show you the questions. Okay, that's great. Taking the screenshot, let me start. So first question, try this. First question. Please, okay, I would request all of you to please have a look. Come on, try. Let me do it. I hope you guys are not getting. If 40% of the suite, 40% is for the suite. 40% suite. 15% for 15%. Sold by O. We have O. Yeah, we have O. Let's come to the O. 200 and 180. 200 and 180 is 40%. This is basically 200 and this is basically 180. Now let's have a look. Defective, non-defective. 40% are defective. Then can I say 60% are non-defective, which is 120. Non-defective. 15%, then 85%. 18 into 85% is 18 into 85. 18 into 85 is 68. Can I say 68? Oh, 85, 8 5s are 40. Yes, it would be 188. 120, 68. Please calculate. It's coming 188. Yeah, non-defective. Non-defective. Out of total O. Total O is basically 280. Am I right? Total is basically 280, na? So 188 of 280 multiplied by 100. 0 cancelled out. This goes 5 times. This goes 1 times, 4 times. Now this is basically 960. How much? 940. 940 by 14. 1 by 14 is 7%. 7 nines are 60. 67 point something. Not 68, it would be 67. Not 68, it would be 67. Understood? I hope. You got the concept now? Guys, you got the concept now? Come on, sir. Try this. Don't waste time. If you know the concept, just if there is like little more differences, we can go for it. Not an issue. Answer me fast. Come on, answer. B, okay. First of all, we need to see P. P total is 270 plus 30 is 300. P is basically 270. Sweet, sour plus bitter. It's 300, right? Sweet plus sour is how much? Sweet plus sour is how much? Of L, 240. Sweet plus sour of L is basically 240. Bitter, 60. Option number B. Answer me. Answer me this question, come on. Fast, we'll not solve this one. We don't want to solve this. What's the correct answer? The number of sweet candies sold by Q, LMNOPQ, is 38 more than P. 270 and 38 is 308, correct? Sweet candies, okay, sorry. 160. 160 plus 30, 198, na, I would say. So sweet Q would be 30 plus 160, 38, 198. Then the number of sour candies sold by Q is 20% more than M. Sour candy 20% more than M. How will you calculate this? 20% more. Sour Q. 20% more means 6 by 5. M 110. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 132, right? Then find the ratio. Can you find out the ratio? E, they are saying. E. Come on. 132 is to 198. 8, 6, 6, 3 0, 8 0. Oh, okay, 2 is to 1, 2 is to 3. Yeah, 2 is to 3. Last one. If the questions are clear, why would we solve more? That's no need. This is homework, right? You can answer this question now. Come on. Last one. This is another DI. Anyone, the given data shows the bikes sold in 5 different shops A, B, and C, D. Also given the percentage of the number of bikes unsold in 5 different shops. Now you can make a table, bike sold and number of bike and bike sold. So make a table like that. Okay. First of all, total, bike sold, and then bike unsold. Okay. First. And then you can calculate all the questions. According to your wish, you can calculate all the questions. I want answers of all the questions, everyone. This is homework I am giving you all. So those who are preparing for any of the exams, seriously, if they would answer, that would be great. So I hope I'm showing you one by one. I'll keep 2 seconds on the slide just to show you the questions. First question, everyone. You can take the screenshot. For the first one, the data, you can see the data here. All the data, because I am very much apart from it, all the data. Then this is the question, right? I want everyone should answer in the comment section. This is the question. This is the first question. Okay. This is the second question. No, I'll not share the PDF. I'll share the PDF, but point is that if I'm showing you everything, you can try this by your own. No? I'm showing you the questions. Please have a look. Take the screenshot. This is the question. Now, this is the question. You can see the questions. It's quite visible to all of you. This is the question. last. And this is the question. Now guys, I have seen that, you know what happens. See, this is why I don't come up with DIs. Now see, I do hard work, I give you homework, and none of you bother to answer. Problem is that, suppose that two people will answer. It is nice now that I'm also taking an effort and you guys are also taking an effort. But the problem is that nobody bothered to answer. Guys, see, these things takes time, everyone. So I'm just asking every one of you to answer. Don't just do the class and keep the phone aside. Please solve now. Because the point is that we have done 2 sets in the class. 1 set I've given you homework. I've shown the homework. After the class, it will hardly take 10 minutes of time. Please solve in your copy and just comment now. I'll personally answer your queries, right? But the point is that nobody bothers about it. If you guys will not bother, how I'll also come with the positive attitude? The thing is so simple, everyone. So I think that now you all will comment your answers, okay? You always answer, that's very good. But I want that everyone should take part in commenting the answers. Till then, bye-bye guys, take care, signing off. Agnimitra. If anyone is new to the class, as I said, from tomorrow I'm starting clerk session, everyone. Okay. From tomorrow I'm starting the clerk session. So this week we'll practice more questions on the clerk, right? So from this was a session on the DI which I have taken. I hope you enjoyed. And if you guys are new to the channel, you can just join my Telegram. This is my Telegram channel, guys, and so that I can help you a lot. Till then, bye bye guys, take care. Signing off, Agnimitra. Bye everyone. Bye guys, take care. Bye bye.